Hi friends, today I am going to talk about Cloud File Store. Cloud File Store is a managed file storage service for applications that require a file system interface and shared file system for data. File Store gives users a simple native experience for standing up managed network attached storage with their Google Compute Engine and Kubernetes Engine instances. Cloud File Store is a fully managed no-op service that is integrated with the rest of Google Cloud portfolio. We can easily mount file store file shares on Compute Engine virtual machines as well as Google Kubernetes Engine. So these containers can reference the same shared data. This is the brief theoretical part about the Cloud File Store. So we will be moving into these practicals. So there we have to create one computing instance, and then we have to create a Cloud File Store instance. Then we can mount the file store file shares on computing in virtual machines. Now I'll be moving into this Google Cloud platform, and I want to create a one instance. So we have to give the VM underscore I have given the instance name is VM instance 2, and this particular instance will be locating in US Central 1, and this is in 1C, and this machine type is 1V CPU, and this particular boot disk we have to opt this boot disk will be Debian Linux or any Ubuntu images. So I am opting the Debian Linux, and so I have to select the allow HTTP traffic and create the instance. Now my instance will be creating. Now the second point is how to create a cloud file store instance. For this, you have to go to this storage part, and we have an option is file store. Can you please observe here? Use cloud file store to create fully managed NFS file server on Google Cloud Platform for use with applications running on computing in virtual machine instance. Now I want to create a instance, and we have to give the instance ID is this is NFS underscore server. Sorry. NFS server, and it will be opting instance style is standard and premium. The standard is sufficient for 1 GB minimum available capacity, and if you are opting for premium, it will be providing 2.5 GB. So far I am opting standard, and the location is US Central 1, and this is in 1 Central C, and authorized network is default, and I have to select the file store, file share properties, file share name. I am opting for volume 1 with 1 GB data and create button. Now my cloud file store instance is creating. Now the third step is we have to mount the cloud file store file shares on a computing in virtual machine. For this we have to move to the virtual machine instances. So computing instance. This is my VM instance 2, and click the SSH. Open browser window. It is connecting. So it has been established the connection. Now what we have to do, we have to install the NFS. So for this we have to type this command apt-get -y update. Now I have to install the Nfs server apt-get -y install nfs common. So now I want to create one directory for the cloud storage file share. Now I want to use the command sudo mkdir making of directory with mnt mount test. So it has been created. So now we have to mount the file share by running the mount command and specifying the cloud file store instance IP address and file share name. So for this we have to move to the cloud file store instance. So this is the instance and click here and get the mount point. So this is the information. So we have to copy it. Can you observe here? Copy it. I have to move to the browser here and have to type the sudo mount and paste the IP address along with the instance name. This is my IP address, and so this is the folder I have created here, mnt test. Can you observe here? Now successfully it got been mounted. So here I want to give the permissions. Sudo chmod plus read and write permissions to this particular folders as well as the files. Now what I have to do, I want to create a file on the file sheet. So now I want to create a file with now mnt test. My file name is sample. Can you observe here? It got been created. Now I want to list mnt test. So my file is there. Now I want to add this here mnt test sample. And please observe, this is my first file. So this is the way we can mount the cloud file storage files to VM virtual machine instance. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching my video. If you want more updates on the Google Cloud platform, please subscribe to my channel DWA at the videos. Thank you. Thank you very much.